All right, guys, let's try to make some sense out of this. I'm looking at GME, I'm looking at AMC. Now that they're being pumped, is it really bullish? Is this something that we could actually try and make money off of tomorrow? And let's try to make sense of this because AMC has really been selling off lately. Let's just be honest about it. So 1 month ago, it was as high as $32. And then now it's sold off to as low as $21. It retested that $20 range just around here. And let me just zoom in so you can see it because it'll probably be a little bit easier for you. And right here, it tested the $20 range. Now, I always play AMC, and you can refer to my other videos. I posted some gains that I've made on them. But it's more about what can we do to, what can we do to try to make some money off this? So we have it a 1 month chart right up. We're looking at it. We're trying to see here where we can actually go. So realistically, we have to see where it goes in the pre-market trading. But if we get a dip, we need to see where we actually going to buy this thing. So I have the 1 month. I'm going to go to the last 10 days because I feel like that's more relevant, to be honest, to find a support level. And more importantly, I'm going to zoom in just from December 31st. Now, I'm going to be looking to make an entry. I'm hoping this thing sells off a little bit because once you get news like this where GameStop is going to be jumping into something, we got to start to try to find some support levels. Where I'm looking right here is I'm zooming in even closer now because I like this range right here. I'm going to draw it just so everybody can see it. We obviously have resistance at the 26 line, so that doesn't take much to really know. But looking here on the support line, and I usually use Webull for this, but for today I'm on Fidelity, so we're just going to use the platform that I always trade on. You can refer to my other videos to learn how to trade on Fidelity. But this right here, where it broke through and it started making gains, this is going to be a new support level. So around $23, because if you look here, it was testing here at 23.38. I'm getting these prices from up here. And then right here is where it broke off and it went up in the after hours. So tomorrow, if we get a dip around the 23 range, I'm going to be looking to make a buy on it. It's definitely something I want to be looking into. I definitely believe it has a lot of potential. Now let's switch over to GME. So that's the game plan tomorrow. AMC $23. We're looking to make an entry and try to ride it back up. But we have that clear resistance at $26. Now let's move to GME. Let's take a look. And oh, did that really just sell off like that? Oh, okay. I was looking at that 10-day and it just showed that it looked like it sold off, but it didn't. So if you look at just today in general, GME has been consolidating all day today at 130s and it blasted up to 160. And I have it in a previous video. It's all because of this NFT news. GameStop's entering the NFT. And people love GameStop and AMC. Retail interest is always high in this. And I don't blame them. This is a great stock to trade. It's not a company you want to hold long term, but what do I know? If you held it when it was $3, you're rich. So where can we actually make money off this? So I'm just looking at this. Obviously, a clear support level is the 130 to 135 range, but do we really expect it to just sell off tomorrow from 160 down to 130? I don't believe so. So when I look to make entries, I try to see what could be the next support level. And the way I find this is I'm looking where did it blow up and pass resistance, and then it started accelerating. So right around here, it looks like around 137 is where it started to, but I don't think that's the true level of support. True level support is probably going to be in the 140 range, and I'll zoom in a little bit, but I just want to draw the support level real quick. So right around here, let's draw it up a little bit higher. And GME is good to play when it's actually showing momentum and signs of actual growth. So we'll see where it goes tomorrow because I have a feeling this stock is going to be hot tomorrow, AMC and GME. But those were clearly resistance levels and then they blew up. So just switching to the 1 month, we could see it sold off, was making new lows from 138 to 120 and anywhere from here. But you just got to be careful with these stocks. They can sell off, but they can also make incredible gains as well. Now looking here, just looking at GameStop, I mean, they're posting that, I mean, the apes love this, obviously. I mean, they're saying they knew this was coming. Oh, what just happened there? And AMC and GameStop are always stocks to play. I mean, look, everybody's super happy now. Anytime AMC is riding, it's just easy to make money on them as long as you buy the dips. And you just have to be aware that like GameStop is soaring over 30% in the after hours just because of this NFT platform. So anybody that trades AMC, trades, GameStop, you're looking for any positive news because it just makes it blow up an irrational amount. So I just want to give a quick thing where I'm going to be looking to trade them. Now, obviously, if they're up early, if they're up in the after hours, I'm going to be looking to trade them quicker and try to scalp them as they go up because it tested as high as 176. And let's just go to like 3 months ago. Let's see here. It went as high. Oh, look at that. It's a clear. Look at that. So this is very interesting. Look at this. Look what I just found on the 3-month chart. It went all the way up to like 174. You can see a high right up here of 174. Now go to the 3-month chart and you can see that there's a clear resistance level. Let me see what this is. That's 200. This is 170. Look at this. 170, clear resistance level. I'm going to go back to today and there's my resistance line. Boom, right there, it's sold off. Very interesting. So these are levels that we have to watch out for now because if GameStop is going to break that 170, it's going to test the 180. If it can get past the 180, then it's going to be testing 200. So we'll see where it goes. Hopefully GameStop goes back up to the moon because it's always fun either owning even just a couple of shares and just enjoying the ride. But I'll try to get in if we get a nice dip. But I just want to give a quick update. GME, AMC are definitely potentially back, but let's just be smart. And let's obviously protect our assets. But if they show potential, we're definitely going to go in and try to ride them up.